Dear students, welcome back to my channel. This video for the students of class 2A and for class 2B. And our subject is mathematics. We are in the chapter number 3 entitled as numbers up to 1000. Today in this video session we will study numbers in order, making numbers, making greatest and smallest number, and the important topic, that is the new topic, that is called estimation, or you can say round off. So let's start with numbers in order. So I think we already have done this topic, that is numbers in order, in the previous class. Previous class means previous chapters, which is in the first unit syllabus. So we already familiar with the terms ascending order and descending order, and we are already done for 2-digit numbers. We will do the same thing for 3-digit numbers, right? Ascending order means you have to arrange the numbers smallest to greatest. Similarly, descending order means you have to arrange the numbers greatest to smallest. Okay, so I will solve 24. Arrange the numbers in ascending and descending orders. Ascending order means, I told you, smallest to greatest. You have to arrange the number smallest to greatest. So now you have to find out which one is the smallest one. 321. So write down 321. So I wrote down 321. Now cross out or cancel out. Now you have to find out the smallest one among these numbers except 321. So it is 324. So wrote down 325, then cross out. Again you have to find out the smallest number among 595 and 462. Yes, it is 462. So I crossed out, and the remaining part is 595. So this is called ascending order. Okay, now descending order, I told you before. So if you reverse the order, that means if you write from 595, then 462, then 325, then 321, you can get the descending order. So similarly, B number and C number you can solve in the same manner, right? Here it will be, at first it will come 438, then 538, then 548, then 923. So I am now reversing the order. So at first I am writing 923, then 548, then 538, then 438. Clear? So this is ascending order and descending order. So you can solve C number. So please do in your book, try to understand at first what is ascending order, what is descending order. Now then you can write. Now I'm going to the next page. This is also D and E you have to solve. Okay, now the next thing, making numbers with the given digits. You have to make the numbers with the given digits, right? In 25 the digits are given, a number question, digits are given 4, 5 and 6. Now we have to make numbers using these digits, right? So there are how many space? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have to make 3 numbers, three you have to make 6 numbers using 3 digits. So at first I am writing 456, then 465, then 645, then 546, then 564, and 654. This is the combination of all 3 digit numbers using these digits. Okay, these digits. So you can make another numbers using digits B, C, D, E. You have to solve by yourself. Okay. Now in next page, making the greatest and smallest number. So you have to make greatest number and the smallest number. So this is the important part. You have to make greatest number and smallest number. So at first I want to make greatest number. Greatest number means here the 3 digits are given 2, 9 and 1 in question number A. So when you are going to make greatest number, then at first you have to choose the greatest one among these digit. So greatest one is 9. So I wrote down 9. Then cross out which one is the greatest among them, 2, and then 1. So this is the greatest number using these digits. Okay. And smallest one, which one is the smallest one among these digits? Yes, 1, cross out, then 2, then 9. Similarly you can make. Okay, so B, C, D, E you can make. Now F number, here the digits are given 9, 0 and 2. Okay, when you are making greatest number, it is easy, nothing to remember, no new things need to remember. At first please find the greatest number, it's 9, then cross out and find out the greatest number among the numbers, among the digits, it's 2, then 0. So 920 is the greatest number using these digits. Now when are you making smallest number? You can't start with 0. Why? If you start with 0, then 2, then 9, then it will be 2 digit number. Okay, so at first after 0 or except 0, you have to find out which one is the smallest one. Except 0, 2 is the smallest one for this question. So write down 2, then you put 0, then next digit is 9. So 209 is the smallest number using these digits. Okay, similarly if I solve I number, we can apply the same logic. Obviously the greatest number is 8, 2 and 0, that means 820. And when you are making smallest number, at first 2, then 0, then 8, that is 208. Okay, similarly rest of the part you can solve using this property. Okay, now the next important part, what? Estimation. Estimation means rounding off. Okay, that means you are rounding off the number, nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000 and so on. Suppose I am taking an example, 12. I want to estimate this number, that is 12, to the nearest 10. Okay, I want to estimate or round off this number to the nearest 10. So how to estimate? For this question, you are asked to estimate to nearest 10. So for this question, you have to check the ones digit. So what is the ones digit? Is 2. Now remember, if the digit if the digit if the digit is 5 or more than 5, then the number can be rounded to next 10 or 100 or 1000 and so on. So if it is not, that means if the digit is not 5 or greater than 5 or more than 5, that means if it is less than 5, then the number will be rounded to existing 10 or 100. Existing 10 or 100. Now you tell me, 12 existing 10 means uh, 12 lies between 10 and 20. Okay, so existing 10 is only 10. That means if the digit is less than 5, then it can be rounded to the existing 10. So for this question, it will be rounded to 10 because the ones digit is 2, which is less than 5. So 12 will be rounded to 10. If it is given 17, so you have to check the ones digit, that is 7, which is greater than 5. So now 17 will be rounded to 20. That is the next 10. That is called next 10. Next 10 is 20. 17 consists tens. And next 10 is 20. 17 consists of 10, right? So next 10 is 20. So if the digit in the ones place is greater than 5 or equal to 5, then the number will be rounded to the next 10. For 17, for example, I've taken 17, so it will be rounded to 20. Clear? Try to understand. Try to revise the portion what I am talking. Now I am going to solve. Now listen very carefully and very attentively. It is given, round off the following numbers to the nearest 10. So question number A, it is given 21. Since it is given to the nearest 10, that means you have to check the ones place of this number. Ones place, the digit is 1. So 1 is less than 5. So it will be rounded to the existing 10. Existing 10 is, it consists of 20. So existing 10 is will be 20. Clear? Now I'm taking next example, that is 56. 56 is, since you have to round off this figure to the nearest 10, that means you have to check the ones place. The ones place, the digit is 6 and it is obviously greater than 5. And I told you, if the number or if the digit is greater than 5, then whole number, that is 56, will be rounded to next 10. Since 56 consists of 50, so the next 10 is 60. So 56 will be rounded to the next 10, that is 60. Right? Similarly, 70 it is already rounded off. Okay, so it will be only 70. Similarly, C, E, F, G, H, I, J, you have to solve by yourself. Okay, now 28 number problem. Here it is given, round of the following numbers to the nearest 100. You have to look carefully. It is given 100. Last one is 10. When it is 10, you have to check the ones place. When it was asked, when it is asked 100, you have to check tens place. So for this number 112. So in this case, what will you check? The tens place. The digit is 1. That means which is less than 1, less than 5. That means this 112 will be rounded to the existing 100. Existing 100 is only 100, because if you write the number sum of their place value, you can say it will be 100 plus 10 plus 12. So existing 100 is only 100, so it will be 100. If I select C number question, it is given 497. 497 means 40 plus 90 plus 7. So existing 100 is for 400, right? And the next 100 is 500. So now round up the following numbers to the nearest 100. So you have to check which place? Tens place. The digit is 9. That means greater than 5. Now you tell me 497 will be rounded to the next 10, next 100. Next 100 is 500, right? So similarly, you have to check all the answers. You can do go through this video, try to learn, and please do it by yourself. And I am now solving one another example. What will I do for 909? What will I do? 909, here the digit is 0 in the tens place, which is less than 5. So the existing 10 will be the answer. So existing 10 is 900. Simple. Okay. So I think this video will make you understand very easily. So try to understand and do it by yourself. Thank you.